Hey, Sergio here with Sixtos Elite, and I want to talk to you guys today about how I was able to make an extra $2,500 this week. I guess it's Monday, so last week. I was able to make over $2,500. Of course, as you guys know, I refer other companies' products. That's what I do. That is what I've done as a side hustle. My last year that I did my job as a school teacher. So I ran this online business 1 to 2 hours a day, and pretty much made more than my teacher's salary, and I was able to quit. So this is what I do full time now. I focus on this online business, and last week I was able to make $2,500, and I worked maybe 10 hours, 10 hours for the whole week. So about 1 to 2 hours every day throughout the whole week. It accumulated to about 10, and it was referring a product where they have low commissions on the front end, but it can become a high ticket offer on the back. And what I mean is, you partner up with a company. It could be anyone. I'll even go into a little bit of depth here. You see, because I know you guys don't like to waste time. I don't want to waste your time. I want to get right to it. So I'll just throw this one out here. For example, like affiliates, Amazon affiliate programs. A lot of people partner up with Amazon, but look at these commission rates, up to 10%. The bad thing about it is, with Amazon, you're dealing with physical products that you're promoting. It could be big money if you're gaining, millions and millions of views. But let's say you're promoting a product that's like $10. $10, okay? So let's say you're promoting a $10 product. You can make up to 10%. So we'll say you make 10% commission. You would only make $1 if somebody were to buy a product that you were referring. $1. Now, what I usually do is I go for products that have the low front end. So let's say it's $10, $20 on the front, but later on down the road, it could convert to a high ticket. So in this example, I could be referring a credit repair company or an educational platform that's teaching people about crypto. It's teaching people about crypto. You get in for 10, $20, but later on down the road, maybe that crypto company wants to recommend a more advanced or a more hands-on thing, and they charge, $1,000 for it. If that person that I referred pays that 1,000, I would make an even bigger cut just off of that one referral. That's basically what I do here, but I don't like to go for these low offers. I get offers that will make me 50, 60, 70, even 100% commission, and I want to show you guys real results. So this past week of November, I was able to make $2,500, and I took a screenshot of one of them just because I didn't want you to see the personal information from the people that I recommended it to. So, as you can see here, I took a screenshot of it. It was 11/22, so November 22 at 12:27 p.m. It's a real screenshot. I just blocked out the names here, but as you can see, from the month or the week of the 15th through the 21st, so for 7 days, I was able to make those commissions. So let's pull out this calculator again. I just want to do this to show you. I practice what I preach. So when I tell you guys this is what I do, I really do it. 0.75 plus 447.75 plus 447.75. So that's $2,017, right? That is from a high ticket commission, or those are from high ticket commissions, except that little baby one, but that's okay. It's cool. I count everything as a win. But this is from another one. Here we go. This other one, as you can see here, I even changed the dates. So November 15th through the 21st. So Monday all the way to Sunday. An extra $464. So where's my calculator again? Plus 464. That comes out to $2,481. There's other products I'm promoting, but you get the gist. I made over $2,500 in 7 days. It's unbelievable to me. It's unbelievable to me because I always felt that I needed to get or create my own product or buy inventory and sell it for profit online, but it's not true anymore. What I do is, of course, I partner up with companies. And if you want to partner up with the same company that helped me get those results, I'm going to leave that link in the description for you. But basically, you start off on a platform, whether it's TikTok or Instagram, which are very, very powerful, of course. You create content about a certain product you're promoting. Like it can be Amazon, for example. But like I said, I don't go for those. They're low commission. I like digital products, softwares, and such. Digital products will make you a lot bigger commissions, by the way. So that's a quick tip for you. And I promote them here. What I do is I lead them to a opt-in page where I capture their information. I captured someone's information about what I was promoting at that time. That way, I could let them have access to a thank you page. Basically, it's a video that I put and I'm thanking them for giving me their personal information. Like, hey, keep on going through the process and it'll show you how to do this, or it'll get you this keto weight loss diet. Once they do that, it lands on a sales page. If they make a purchase, I would make a referral fee. Again, if it's Amazon, you're going to get a low referral fee. But I like to go for the big ones, the high ticket ones. Because if your goal is to ever leave your job, high ticket is where you want to be. A high ticket commission. Like, I'll even go here. High ticket affiliate programs. You can partner up with these companies for free. You don't have to pay to partner up with these companies. You could just go through here. Look at these blogs. People write blogs about them all the time. 15 high ticket affiliate programs. If you read through them, it's going to give you a list of various ones. Authority Hacker, you see, they have a lot. They have a lot of high tickets. Just do your research on them. Make sure you believe in it, that it really could help and benefit people. Like I said, it could be a workout plan. It could be an educational course. It could be anything, as long as it's high ticket. That's going to be your fastest way to quit your job, if that's what you want to do, or the fastest way to make 5 to 10K a month. So now I set up this system, and again, that link in the bio, that one's going to show you how to set all this up as well. Or if not, just look through my videos, my past videos. I show a lot about this. Now, if that person that I referred didn't make a purchase, I still have their emails, so my emails are following up automatically over here. It's called I have an autoresponder that sends out messages periodically, so every other day. And again, I did make other videos about it, so go check out the other ones. Now, in regards to this, I'm going to give you a real example. So I'm going to show you real people doing it on TikTok, and some of them are doing Amazon. So I'll just look up Amazon. So you can see, I can even click here, 1.3 million views. Made a quick video about what she ordered and what she got. Now I'm going to go to her profile and look what she has here. Daily Amazon finds. So her whole profile is based off of products that she finds on Amazon. She tends to buy them. You don't have to buy them when you're doing affiliate marketing. You could just partner up with the company. But if you go here to that link in her bio, she's basically going to have a bunch of links to the things that she's recommending. She even has her own little store on Amazon. So again, if people buy through these, she makes a commission. But again, my thing is recommending a high ticket product. So I basically do all that. Now, I show people how to do it in 3 steps or less. Day 1, we go over the overview of what this whole online business is, which I just explained in this video. Day 2, we show you how to set up the tools, such as the opt-in pages and the email autoresponders. And day 3, we actually show you how to go get traffic, how to go get eyeballs on the offers that you're promoting for. The cool thing is, it's all free. These methods that we show, that you don't have to pay for any ads. Now later on down the road, if that's something you want to do, you can. But we show it all where you can do organic methods, so free methods, because it doesn't cost you a thing to pull out your phone, make a quick little review video about some product. If you get some views, thousands of views, send people to a link, and if they buy, then you make commissions. Again, she's probably making a few dollars off of these. I recommend going for the high ticket ones, and the link in my bio again is a good start. It actually has low ticket, mid-level ticket products, as well as a high ticket. So I'm going to leave that down below. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment, or just tell me what you got. If you had any questions, or if you have any comments about what you want to see, because I'm making these videos based on what people are telling me they're struggling with. So leave me a comment down below. Go to my channel right here, Sixto Salit, if you haven't already. I even show you how you can do this pretty much 2 hours a day. You can do it as a side hustle, or you can convert it full time. And I even give a lot of tutorial videos. So go ahead and subscribe to that if you haven't already. If you like this video, like it. That is basically the game plan. I promoted a low ticket product on the front. It got me high ticket commissions and made over 2,500 bucks this past week. So results can vary, but if you put in the work, you can actually blow my results out of the water.